Michael's Way all the way, Jay.
Yeah.
Michael's
We're
Way.
here with this attractive Scotsman.
He's a dog, we love
We
him.
were going to go to the Michael's Way fundraiser, Disco Fever, on June the 23rd at that Sawmill place.
And do like this, that's what we're gonna do.
But
It's like Saturday Night Fever.
and it looks like everybody there is a drag queen from what they had out last
And
year.
that's why we brought
Can you
this
see
little
that
man
right
in
there?
skirt. Stand up and show him his skirt.
That's a finely turned calf right there. Yes, indeed. He's darling.
Saturday Night Fever.
At the tighter the pleat, the closer to God, I believe. Is
I
that the way
believe
it
that's
is?
right
Yeah.
down there. God bless him.
But please come support Michael's Way. They do super duper things for the community.
And if you can't come, please send a check.
Yeah, Michael's Way. Go on that internet, the worldwide net of the internet web. And Google
www.www.com. Yeah, we have no idea
what it
Look for
is.
Michael's Way.
Greenville, South Carolina. They do nice
That's
things.
right.
They're super
Yeah,
duper.
it's the 70's, they're back.
Sadly.